Hey guys, welcome to Oases, a peaceful space in everyday life where you can explore, discover, and unwind. Well, today I have travel tips for friends who want to travel as a group. Firstly, you can create a team, a logistics team. You can have the main coordinator, you can have a treasurer, then a person in charge for food, for transport, and for the travel activities. Secondly, you have to budget. And when you prepare the budget, you can decide on how much people are contributing and you inform them. Then they give them the timelines, deadlines for contribution. Then thirdly, book early the hotels and the tourism sites, the hotel, the accommodation, the food and everything, and the tourism sites. And you can check out for discounts. Then fourthly, make sure you plan well for the activities and include me time for each participant. Then fifthly, make sure you take enough photos because those are the good memories that you'll carry along throughout. For these and more details, check out my website, patsowases.com. Until next time.